Understanding the eraser tool in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common term you might come across in various contexts: the eraser tool. This phrase is widely used, and understanding it can help you in different scenarios, especially if you're into digital design or use software programs regularly. Let's dive in. The eraser tool is primarily a digital tool found in graphic design and photo editing software. It's used to remove unwanted parts of an image or drawing. Imagine it like a real eraser, but for digital content. When you use this tool, it erases pixels, making them transparent or reverting them to a background color. You'll find the eraser tool in software like Photoshop, GIMP, Microsoft Paint, and many other graphic design or photo editing programs. It's typically symbolized by an icon that looks like a small eraser. This tool is essential for digital artists, photographers, and anyone who edits images on their computer. Using the eraser tool is generally straightforward. 1. Select the eraser tool from the tool menu. 2. Adjust its size and opacity according to your needs. 3. Drag the cursor over the areas you want to erase. Remember, the effect of the eraser can vary based on the program's settings and the layer you're working on. The eraser tool is used in various contexts. Graphic design, to clean up edges or remove unwanted parts of a design. Photography, to edit out blemishes or objects from photos. Education, in digital whiteboards or drawing apps, to correct mistakes. The eraser tool is a handy and versatile tool in the digital world, especially for those involved in graphic design or photo editing. We hope this video helps you understand and utilize this tool effectively. Happy erasing, and see you in our next video.